In our progressing mission for superb realities, pretty much all way of things, we have assembled this rundown, with gratitude to the Reader's Digest Book of Facts, an extraordinary rundown of astonishing human realities. These are the 15 most magnificent things about our bodies that, ideally, are a surprising bit of information to the majority of our perusers. Along these lines, onwards. 1. Realities 1 to 5. Conservative spongy bone 1. These stomach-related acids are sufficiently able to break down zinc. Luckily for us, the cells in the stomach lining re-establish so rapidly that the acids don't have the opportunity to break up at point 2. The lungs contain more than 300,000 million vessels, small veins. In the event that they were laid start to finish, they would extend 2,400 kilometers, 1,500 miles. Point 3. A keeps an eye on balls fabricate 10 million new sperm cells every day, enough that he could repopulate the whole planet in just 6 months. 4. Human bone is as solid as stone in supporting weight. A square of bone the size of a matchbox can bolster 9 tons, that is 4-fold the amount of as concrete can support. Point 5. Each finger and toenail takes a half year to develop from base to tip. Point 2. Realities 6 to 10. Kidney anatomy 6. The biggest organ in the body is the skin. In a grown-up man it covers about 1.9 square meters, 20 square feet. The skin continually chips away. In a lifetime every individual sheds around 18 kilograms, 40 pounds of skin. Point 7. At the point when you rest, you develop by about 8 millimeters, 0.3 inches. The following day you shrivel back to your previous tallness. The explanation is that your ligament circles are pressed like wipes by the power of gravity when you stand or sit. Point 8. The normal individual in the West eats 50 tons of food and beverages, 50,000 liters, 11,000 gallons of fluid during his life. Point 9. Every kidney contains 1 million individual channels. They channel a normal of around 1.3 liters, 2.2 pints of blood every moment, and oust up to 1.4 liters, 2.5 pints a day of urine. Point 10. The centering muscles of the eyes move around 100,000 times each day. To give your leg muscles a similar exercise, you would need to walk 80 kilometers, 50 miles each day. Point 3. Realities 11 to 15. Eyeball 2 to 7. April 0711. In a short time, the normal body radiates enough warmth joined to carry a half gallon of water to boil. Point 12. A solitary human platelet takes just 60 seconds to make a total circuit of the body. Point 13. A prepuce, the size of a postage stamp, from circumcised babies take just 21 days to develop skin that can cover 3 ball courts. Astonishing, isn't it? On account of science. The research facility developed skin as utilized in treating consume patients. Point 14. The eyes get around 90% of all our data, making us essentially visual creatures. Point 15. The female ovaries contain almost a large portion of 1 million egg cells, yet just 400 or so will ever get the chance to make another life. Sources: Reader's Digest Book of Facts.